All right, kids, we're back. We're doing M31 with sound.
This is a redo of a previous one without sound, so we got to get our jokes.
The Spec Tray, number 5. The Spectre, number 6. Spectre number 21. He's either really big or that's a really small dude's skull right there.
All right.
Bless you, Michael.
Thank you.
The Spectre.
22.
Is that Superman? Oh, it's good. It's decent. Azrael, number 1. Azrael, number 5. Azrael, number 2.
I'm just going to keep switching sides. So I don't know which side I'm coming from.
Without a board on it. I'm sorry. Azrael, number 3. Without a board. Catwoman. With Funky Batman. New Batman, right?
Is that the official name of him? Funky
I
Batman?
think after he died, right? Catwoman. Oh, that's a popular cover. I've seen that one, number 1.
Yeah.
2 of those.
I think we had those in prior boxes, or maybe I'm just remembering this box.
Catwoman 3 of
You did it without sound.
4. Another Catwoman 1. Catwoman 2. She's got all ripped up there. Catwoman 2. Catwoman 3. Looks like she repaired her outfit. Good job, Catwoman. She's seamstress as well. Catwoman 20. Catwoman 4.
Do you really think she doesn't have somebody that repairs her own?
Seamstress.
Yeah.
Catwoman 5. Catwoman
She has a seamster.
6. Maybe she goes over to Alfred and he does all her hem work. Catwoman 7. Fighting Funky Batman again.
Funky Batman.
Catwoman 29. Catwoman with Robin, number 25. Catwoman 28.
What happened to Batman? He's loaning out Robin.
Looks like there might be 2 in here.
Yep.
There are 28.
A double.
Vengeance of Bane 2. Their Redemption.
You missed 1.
Ra's al Ghul, the Saga.
Number 2.
Ra's al Ghul, number 3. Punisher and Batman, a little crossover there, Marvel and DC.
Yeah, this side's definitely better.
Shadow of the Bat, number 35. You're a little more in the light, but that's all right. Shadow of the Bat, 24. Batman Detective, 680.
Wow, skipped a few numbers there.
And 680 again.
Number 30.
Shadow of the Bat, 30. Funky Batman. Batman 514. 514.
You're right, that other side is better, but
514.
I don't
Yeah,
want black and
that's
white.
where I was standing.
So I'll go on this side.
Detective
Comics presents The Batman.
Harlan Ellison, author. I've heard of him.
No bag, 605.
Yeah, you're right. It's hard to see the
460.
467. 669. Funky Batman. Two-Face. Number 8. He got his own comic.
Apparently.
Detective 670.
We're just giving out comic books left and right to whoever wanted one.
Batman Chromium with a slipcoat. Nightfall 500.
You have to go to the DC comic like building and knock on the door.
Batman The Darkest Night.
I'm Two-Face. Can I get my own comic book?
They're like, yeah, man. Shadow of the Bat. We just had that one, number 30. Feels like there's multiple in there.
Lean into the left a little bit.
Yeah. Batman 506. Robin 12. Looks like a prodigal storyline here. 12.
Just a sidekick.
Robin 8.
Does now Robin have his own sidekick?
Yeah,
So he's a sidekick.
they're giving out comics and sidekicks.
Sidekicks just You get a sidekick.
Saga
You
of
get a
Ra's
sidekick.
al Ghul, number 4. Detective number 654.
Well, you're my sidekick, so
That's true. Detective 658.
they will just give them out to anybody.
Batman and Dracula. That's pretty cool.
Red Rain.
It's a big issue.
Big
Batman.
deal. 511.
0 hour. 0 hour, 511. Oh, that's an old one.
Yeah, that one looks pretty good.
Number 105. Batman and Wonder Woman. Dark Knight number 50. Some Joker. Looks like we got a card in there. It's a thick bastard. Ra's al Ghul number 1. Batman 513. Some more Two-Face. Robin 11. Batman 514. We've got a couple of those. Batman Year 1 Part 2. Frank Miller. Deathstroke Huntress
Number 10.
Showcase.
93.
Annual Batman Villains.
Watches The Watchmen.
Number 26, Night Quest.
That's going to be a popular one.
Night Quest number 6. Swamp Thing, giant sized with Batman. Batman versus Swamp Thing. Batman 669. Oh. 677. Blacked out issue. Looks like 515.
Legacy.
Number 700, Detective Batman. Shadow of the Bat, 23. Oh, my man bought that for 59 cents. Batman 430. Batman Poison Ivy 367. Just another Swamp Thing with Batman, giant sized. Detective, that's an older looking one.
Oh, yeah, Detective Comics.
447. 436. Batman Year 3, 439. Batman and Robin, 465. Like, how could you get every single one? There's 700 of them.
I know.
440.
Make a comment if you have every single one.
Detective 541. Batman's 2 Batmans. Endgames 380.
Somebody has $6.99 and we have the one that they need for the rest of the collection.
Number 331 right here, Batman.
I was missing 331. There it is.
Penguin 610. Detective. Batman and New Robin issue. Sounds fun.
I collect them all.
Batman 5
22.
22. Super Villains. Number 1.
Batman's head is broken.
Yeah, he's pretty messed up. Batman 682.
That's a cool cover.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. 14. Robin 14. Oh, you poor Robin. He's got his own book and he's still down there in the corner. Detective Comics. Batman versus the KKK, looks like.
That is not politically correct these days.
Dark Knight, number 2. Year 1, Unbagged, number 5. Man-Bat. Dark Knight Gothic, that looks cool. Number 9. Robin with a hologram cover. Joker's Wild, number 2.
It's pretty cool.
Batman, that's an older one. 308. Another oldie coming up. 343. Detective Comics. Can't tell, but history. Robin getting all jacked. Batman Two-Face. Annual 1990. Older Batman here, number 327. Batman 424.
Robin.
Robin 14 again. This one 5, whatever, 15. We saw that one already. Different Two-Face cover, 7. Shadow of the Bat, 16. Batman 510. Detective 569. That's an old looking one. Robin, Joker on the cover. Batman family getting killed.
Detective Comics 457.
457. Batman 321. Another Joker cover. Batman 292. This is Riddler. Batman 330 with I don't know who that is. It's the old one. Batman, that's an older Two-Face cover. 329. Detective 572. The World's Most Dangerous Villain, Wanted. 20-cent cover, number 2. Looks like an old one. Dark Knight 16. Robin 5 of 5. Looks like a little mini story with Snake Guy. Oh man. Starman with Batman. Turn the cover.
And last but not least,
Starman, Dark Knight in Monument Valley. Oh, Batman's up there. So if you know anything about Starman and why Batman's involved, let us know. Older one, May of '89. So cool. So, all right, folks. That was Box 31. Let us know if you've seen any of these. Let us know if any key issues.
like and subscribe.
Thanks a lot.